The circle of life. Good morning. Got the guys here with us. We haven't properly introduced you to this one yet, but this is one of our newest members. This is Brother Jay. Lots of cool fishing content. Follow him here.
Everything broken, that's why we fixed it.
He was the guy that was lingering in the background when we were doing the BC drop on the car. That's his truck over there.
I had to put my safety and reg on today. Or my reg at least.
Yeah, he's running dirty. And once he gets those paperwork done, we can do the car reveal thing or whatever. We got more ramblers on the team.
You think scared me so bad.
I wish I had that on camera, bro. What's going on today, sir?
I don't know.
Or actually, what's going down?
I've been up for the past 30 hours straight already now.
Oh yeah, sounds like a normal day. Here at Basic Auto Body. Got these guys here. Look! Look, it's Shucks! Alright, so today we're gonna be doing an Xrunner modification.
Finally.
Right?
It's been like a year.
It's been a couple months.
Couple months.
After this, it's gonna be a couple months till my hopefully sexy thing comes in.
Sexy thing.
I'm gonna try and look for a Black Friday sale. Hopefully there's a deal.
Looking like a true work truck, Logan.
I'm dirty, I know. I don't have my tools back here.
DJM
All the good parts.
Suspensions. Brought to you by SummitRacing.com.
Oh, it's not in here. It's missing. Oh, what is this actually?
It's a vinyl wrap.
White vinyl. I got my control arms.
Upper and
DJM.
lower. We got
whatever.
upper and lower arms.
Yep, lower, upper. I was recommended. Shut up, boys. So I was recommended by all the Xrunner gods out there from Wahoo to get the DJM 3-inch drop without ball joints because DJMs tend to be squeaky, they said.
Yep.
And get MOOG or MOG, however you say it, I don't know. Ball joints for
There's
upper
two
and lower.
O's, Logan.
And install it. I'm not fancy.
Ready to get this done?
Oh, we're gonna have to get a tool.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
hi.
Ready to get this done?
We just came back from our second home.
O'Reilly's.
We bought this beautiful ball joint and U-joint press set. See what it looks like inside.
I mean, this isn't necessary. We didn't use this in the first video of my Xrunner, but this is going to be very helpful. And we'll show you how.
Oh, Logan, your telly's crap.
Alright, so, Moogs, pressing in there. Oh. That's right, Logan didn't see that until he watches this video.
Sure did hear it.
I'm sorry, Logan. The fuck is that? First things first, wheels off, up on jacks.
Yep.
Here we go. We're taking out the top arm and the lower arm, both on this side and the other side. Same for the top. These are the ball joints we're replacing, these black ones on both sides.
Grandpa's like favorite thing. Use KY jelly. What?
It doesn't fit now?
Doesn't fit.
Wow, you're going the wrong way? So guys, just so you know, when buying DJM and you're working with the ball joints, this is the hardest part.
The best part though.
And we didn't cover this part in the last video, the first video doing my truck. Mine had. But didn't we take out some and we had to hammer something in? If the tool from O'Reilly's doesn't work, per usual, hammer. For the 5th attempt with the O'Reilly tool.
Fuck, it goes right through.
Boom, broke his saw. Now he's doing it this way. Trying it again after Logan had to jerry-rig this stuff. Did a very good job, sir. Air high five? No? Yeah! After all that cutting, this is how we're doing it. Old-fashioned way, baby. So we're even jerry rigging the tool now.
Yeah, it's going.
But it's going. Logan's doing this after a good hour of sleep.
No, I had no sleep at all.
Okay, well there you go.
They're featherweight too, but even the ball joints that came with these, they're okay for like 60,000. It's until the grease runs out. Get these types so you can fill up the grease again so it doesn't squeak. So you get moogs because there's a Zerk fitting on the bottom. You can refill the grease so it doesn't squeak. But besides that, they're the same.
So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 Portuguese, 1 jank tool to get this thing sorted in.
And we started at 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
1.
Oh, so this is how you do one of the arms.
No, this is not how you do it.
This is how you do it basic style.
Yeah, and we're kind of over it.
Yeah, and we tried all options that we could to get it done today.
It's not a complete fail.
Because it's gonna get in there.
At least the ball joints.
Yeah.
I don't know about the arms.
The install will happen another day.
Maybe next week.
Yeah.
Not recommended, but we really don't give a fuck right now.
So at first we put the ball joint in, lined it up.
So you put it in through this way.
Yep. Have it flat so that the ball joint part is flat on the ground. Hammer around.
Like that. Of course, I'm doing it
around.
softly because
You don't want to fuck up your arm.
Yeah, at this point, it's better to just hit it from the back.
Now for the rears,
Lower.
bump stop is up. So you put the ball joints pointing down. We're having a hard time getting this bad boy in there. I don't know if you noticed by now, this whole time I've been talking, this guy,
Did they really go down?
yeah, it did, very little bit. This guy is using C-clamps.
It's not working very well.
We still have another rear to go, but we're still trying to figure out how to MacGyver the rears. So Logan Jerry cut this silver part. Jerry rigged it, and this is the tool that we got from O'Reilly's. We're gonna try and use it for the next arm to at least get it in a little more.
As you see, we're missing a fourth person. The person's sitting in the car
Hiding.
AC on.
with the AC on.
Oh God.
No, it's too hot.
Sharon.
It's too hot.
Going in. For all of you guys wondering, yes.
We failed.
Yes, the team president gets her hands dirty. How was today? We fucking failed. This guy's butt is super sore right now.
Fucking depressed. Clinically fucking depressed, man.
So even though we didn't get the arms on, we'll give you a better look of before and after. Next time you see this thing leaving our driveway, it should be lower. Alright guys, that was it for today. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that this little DIY video,
Terrible video.
aside from us having to MacGyver everything, we got it done.
We got some of it.
everything.
And life throws you lemons, you just gotta make use of it.
When life throws you lemons, you take those lemons and squeeze it into cuts.
Right into your eye. Anyway,
Stay tuned. Next, we're gonna have a part 2 of this, probably next week,
Hopefully.
and we're gonna drop that in along with the Xrunner cruise for Gerald, right? Xrunner.
9.
Yeah. So we're gonna do it on the 8th, Saturday. Do the drop kit for his truck. 9th, go out for General or Gerald.
General
For-
Gerald.
For Gerald is
we're gonna eyeball his alignment for that cruise afterwards.
That's all you
And then-
need is eyeballs. Not Maui's eyeballs now, because they're crooked. Our eyeballs, because they're semi-straight.
stay tuned for that. We can teach you how to do that. And besides that,
Like, comment, subscribe, shoot.